right, and we're back. Another just quick unpacking. Hoping I'm going to get to install these next Tuesday or Wednesday. It's actually supposed to hit 70 both of those days and then get cold again. So let me open this up. We'll show you what we got here. You probably can guess because I already mentioned it in the struts video. So, well, let's see. I'll show you what we got. Okay. Alright, it's here. Yeah, come on. As you can tell, they got some weight to them. Okay, very good. Okay. Get rid of the razor blade before I slice my hand off. Okay. Take a look at what we got in the box. All right. Well, there you go. Let me get this ripped. Yep. Let's try this again. Okay, there we go. All right. So as you can see, we got new coil springs for the rear. All right. These are, I forget what the heck brand they are. They're on Amazon. I'll put the link in the video here, information. Majority of the people that use them love them. Said they got between 1.5 to 2 inches of lift on the rear of their truck. So I think a lot of that depends on how bad their springs were to begin with. If you have a 4th gen Ram, you know that the rear coil springs are not the best, and they do tend to sag after a while. So if I get at least an inch out of this, I'll be happy. Preferably 1.5 inches would be perfect, you know, and I'll do before and after measurements like I did with the struts. So, but I plan on putting them in, like I said, either Tuesday or Wednesday. Temperature's supposed to be 70 to 74, I think they're saying, for Wednesday. It is not a hard job to do, so I'm going to do the springs next. Probably 1.5 hours, maybe 2 hours, depending on how stuff comes apart. Not going to change the shocks when I do the springs. The shocks are going to come in another video because I don't like to make the videos longer than an hour and 15, 20 minutes, give or take. So I'm going to take it apart. I'm going to show you how to pop one side in. Once the one side's in, then I'll shut it down and post that video because doing the other side's exactly the same. So, but again, it's not hard. You gotta remove your lower shock bolts. You gotta disconnect your rear sway bar. Obviously, truck will be on jack stands. Rear tires will be off. My heavy duty jack will be up under the pumpkin. Jack it up. Disconnect the this. What the heck is it? It's like a panhard bar on a NASCAR. Forget what the actual name is, but it goes from one side to the other. I'll disconnect that at the rear, and then the whole rear will drop down. Old springs out, new springs in. Jack the rear back up, hook up the shocks and everything else. So again, I've done this job before on cars that I've owned. Coil springs are simple, provided everything comes loose. So, all right, with that said, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.